How to make Google default search engine in Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Chrome browser, and once you do that, click on the three dots at the top right corner, then click on settings. And here, from the basics section, click on search engine, and as you can see here, you have all of the search engines that you can use in the Chrome browser. Click on Google to select it, and by doing that, Google will be the default search engine in the Chrome browser app. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can set and make Google the default search engine in the Chrome browser. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.